Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a radio button using Python. So what is a radio button? You may have seen in all those online Olympiad exams we have all those MCQs and we could select it using this selection method. As you can see, there is one circle and you can highlight those circle by using your mouse pointer. So this is known as a radio button. So we are going to create some radio buttons using Python, and for this we are going to use a package known as tkinter, which would help us create a user interface for it. So this is a code. So first of all we are going to import our package tkinter, and after that we are going to open up a new window using .tk method. Then we are also going to make a function known as show underscore values. So what it would do is it would divide a window that would pop up into rows and columns so that we can place all those widgets optimally. And after that we are going to create a variable known as results, and then we are going to store three elements, RB1, RB2 and RB3, meaning remote button 1, 2 and 3. So this would be the elements, the text that would be displayed in a user interface. And after that we are going to use .radio button function to create some radio button. This will be the text, yes, and after that some other parameters, and we are giving the value of this radio button as 1. So whenever you click on this radio button as yes, so this would be the value that would be stored in background. So this was just how we created this radio buttons, and after that we are also going to display all those buttons that the user has chosen. So for this we are going to create a button known as show values. So whenever the user clicks on this button show values, it would return us the value of the radio buttons. As you can see, we have made some values for a radio button. As you can see, this radio button has value 1, this radio button has value 2. So all these values would be shown whenever the user clicks on this button show values. So now that I have explained you how this program works, I am going to execute this. As you can see, this is a tkinter window. I'll be clicking on yes, yes, yes. So this is a radio button and this is working perfectly. And now I'm going to click on show values. As you can see, yes is configured as 1 and no is configured as 2. As you can see, the first one was yes, so the first value is yes, 1. Second one is 2, so no. And third one is 1, so yes. So that was it for this video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.